Hi everyone, my name is Srirag Payadambulapil and my student ID number is 1934428. So my topic is Morrison Supermarkets Identification of the Issue in UK Retail Industry. So this is my topic and I am going to explain my introduction. And my introduction is the retail industry of the UK market has always been a lucrative market value of the organization across the world. The various domestic and global brands like Walmart have been a key part of UK retail chain for a long period. The strong economy of the UK has always been beneficial for the profitability of the organizations. However, the situations has been changed in recent days. Various domestic brands are feeling the heat of more intense competitive market. In this case, the business issues of Morrison claims would be taken into consideration. Along with that, the various strategical analysis would also be presented for better view concept. So this is my introduction and I'm going to move the next slide. Overview the brand. Overview of the brand. Morrison is officially known as W.M. Morrison Supermarket plc in the UK market, having its headquarters in Brantford. The company operates all over the country. The brand expertise in packaged meat and vegetables, fruits and other food products. Apart from the 494 rental of the brand, Morrisons also serve their buyers through online delivery. Morrisons has 8 facilities that work as distribution head of the retail chain. Morrison has several subsidiaries like Bose Brothers and New York Firm Limited. The reputations of Morrisons has always been the higher side in the customer base of the UK. So we can go to the next slide. Materials and methods. The secondary data collections method has been primarily utilized in this research work. The researcher decided to use quality data mainly in this case. The graph, charts, and information about market trends of the company would be essential in the research process. The usage of numerical data would be minimal in this case. The analysis of informations and trends is essential to conclude the issue that are blocking an advancement process of Morrison's. The methods of the research were selected as per requirement of case and the available options of the researchers. And we are going to next slide. Data collection. About data collection, the data collections of the data and information that were utilized during um, that we utilized during these studies were done mainly from online sources. The official websites of Morrison's were one of the most essential sources of data. Apart from that, the various other websites and blogs were referred to for purpose. These research papers of the previous writers were used also collect data. No significant physical means of data collections were used in this process as it was not necessary. And we can go to the next slide. Analysis of the data. The data sets and information that were collected for research needs to be analyzed for proper assessment of situation. In if the trend of the marketing of Morrisons is analyzed properly, it can be observed that the brand is losing its market shares in recent period. Another significant observation that can be made from this matter is the rise of online marketing. The buyers are more interested in online shopping, and for this huge surge in online orders has been observed in UK markets. We can go to the next slide. Major issues of Morrison's. The progress of any organization mainly depends on the condition of the market and strategy of particular organization. If conditions of the market sustainable and rival companies are progressing steadily in the market, then any company that is not making significant advancement, their business must be behave some major issues in strategic section. Morrison is also facing some similar aspects of regarding the financial and marketing section. The company needs assess all the issues in detailed manner and resolve them accordingly to serve the situation. So we can go to the next slide. Okay, the impact of COVID-19 situation. The pandemic situation caused by COVID-19 virus has affected the global business badly. The demand for the product has been reduced dramatically. Morrison has also faced impact of situation. The overall sale and revenue volume of the company has been reduced in the previous quarter of current financial year. However, the demand for online orders has increased as the company deals in daily needs of the consumers. The demand is going to be normalized in short period. The logistics infrastructure of the company need to sit improved greatly to cope up with rising online orders. So we can go to the next slide. Competitive analysis. The market of the UK has become more competitive in the present decade. All companies from different industries are feeling the issue of increased rivalry in their significant makers. The retail market is also immune from it. Domestic competitors like Tesco, Sainsbury are dominating the market. These organizations are advancing in their business because of some significant advancement in their marketing strategy. The pressure of international retailers like Walmart is also increasing on domestic companies. So the UK supermarket shares diagram shows that 29% is Tesco and 17% is Asda and 16% is Sainsbury and Morrison's is only 11%. All others are okay. We can go to the next slide. Marketing failures of the brand. This is a very important one. The lens of Morrison's on conventional marketing strategies has one the largest reason for the marketing failures. The company needs to understand that era of physical marketing is over. Online marketing is a key to survive in present day market. Depends on the methods like billboard advertising, branding, media campaigning is not going to truthful for brand. Innovating designs in campaigning and can efficient in terms of catching the attentions of buyers. Along with that, some special discount offers can make the matters even better for Morrison's. We can go to the next slide. Digital presence. The digital presence of any brand in digital world is an absolute necessary in modern era business. However, Morrison has significantly failed in this situation. The company could enhance the customer base employing social media promotion, but no activity strategies has been observed in this regards. The presence of organizations and their products in social media platform like Facebook and Instagram helps the company to reach the buyers of a specific age group. The younger generation seems more influenced by campaigning of this platform. The company needs to fix this issue immediately. So we can go to the next. slide. Absence of STP strategy. Segmentation, targeting, positioning. STP. STP strategies are the policies of company about the segmentation, larging, and positioning method of the consumer base. The identifications of the customer base is the most significant factors of business in Morrisons. However, the company is not reflecting this requirement on their actions. The customers of the age is 18 to 45 are the mainly buyers of the online segment of the company. The marketing section need to identify the buyers falling in this category, start a personalization marketing process. Similarly, the other similar demographics of the buyers needs to be classified and utilized as per the requirement for the company. So we can go to the next slide. Mitigating strategies, risk and mitigation. Okay, the issues of Morrisons are inclusive of both internal and external factors. The company is trying to implement some abstract plans for minimizing of these problems immediately. The structure of the marketing section need to be reconstructed in priority manner. The efficiency of marketing managers is trying to be increased. Digital marketing and influencing strategies are the main weapon of the company in the present situation. Along with that, the company can contribute some significant social issues, increase the brand value of Morrisons rapidly. So we can go to the next slide. Mitigating strategy. Identify, manage, mitigate. Okay, we can go to the points. The management of rival brands is a bit of complex task for the company. While Morrisons cannot control the state of rivalry directly, they can improve the strategies about them in extensive manner. Aggressive marketing strategies are being planned in upcoming period with more consumer-oriented product, special discount offers. It would be create a surge demand for the product of the company. A paper policy on the management of the STP has also been granted. The company is partnering with various logistic partners to develop the supply chain of Morrison Supermarket. All these factors would have cumulative impact on state of the business of the company. We can go to the next slide. Conclusion. After the impulsive analysis of the information and the data about the company, it can be confirmed that present strategic and financial issues of Morrisons are causing great damage to the brand. It is perfect time for Morrison to improve all these factors to attain great height in the market of UK. The presence of the pandemic situations going have some temporary impact on demand of the consumers. However, the situations would be better after the availability of vaccines. We can go to the next slide. Recommendations. So my recommendations are, after completion of the research process, the researchers have decided to present two recommendations that can be essential for the growth of Morrisons in the market of the UK. The company can expand its product range in present situation, and the need for any particular product is reducing. Having a large varieties of products can be beneficial for company. Along with that, the partnership with various relative brands can be better for the branding of the company. For example, Walmart has been partnered with Shopify to improve its online delivery chain. So I am recommending that. So we can go to the next slide. The final one about my reference list. And thank you everyone for listening my PPT slide. Thank you.